Hey, what's up guys? This is German with Audio Spring Music, and I wanted to talk to you about how to choose a song topic using TV series and movie scenes. So this is a creative approach that really has helped me a lot. Sometimes when I struggle to find a topic for a song, or if I just want to try something different, I try to use movie scenes and TV series to get inspiration from that. There's a lot of specific details that you can pick up from a movie scene or a TV series scene that can help you not just choose the topic that you're going to sing about, but even write the entire song. In this video, I want to lay down a sort of foundation because I will be making more videos covering this topic. However, this one's going to be specifically about how to choose a song topic. The next one I make will go more in detail into the decisions that you can take specifically on the elements of the scene that you're looking at. But for now, let's just focus on choosing a song topic first. And just don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next video. This isn't just going to be me talking, I'm actually going to give you 3 examples, so stick around to find out what they are. Let's look at an example of a song specifically written for a movie so I can show you what I mean. So many of you might remember this theme song. It's from Casino Royale, and if you don't know, the theme was written by Chris Cornell and David Arnold, who's the soundtrack's composer. The first thing you'll notice about this song is that it's not a regular orchestra movie score. The lyrics have lines such as, "If you take a life, do you know what you'll give?" and "Arm yourself because no one else here will save you," which allude to the type of risk that a spy goes through. Another thing they did with the lyrics was compared the risk of gambling with the risk of a spy. And you can see that in lines like, "The odds will betray you," and "You can't deny the price, it may never fulfill you." If we look at the visuals, we can see this comparison more clearly because all of the images are about gambling and being a spy. They also even added a little bit of James Bond's personality. For example, you can see that in the lines, "The coldest blood runs through my veins," and "If you think you've won, you never saw me change the game we've been playing." What they're doing there is alluding to James Bond's personality, which is the epitome of a calculated risk-taker that never loses his cool. The topic of the song takes into account all elements of the movie in the lyrics, so you can try asking yourself things like, what's the movie about? What are the main characters like? What type of setting are they in? It really helps to paint an image with your lyrics, but you can also work backwards and write your lyrics with the images. Let's check out another example. This next one is a scene from the season 2 finale of Westworld, so spoiler alert if you haven't seen it. I'm gonna play the scene without sound first, and I want you to think about what the song would sound like for a scene like this. Look at the colors, look at how slow Bernard is moving through the room, and I want you to consider what emotions are these images showing. What do you think the music for a scene like this would be about? I'm gonna turn the music on now. This song is Radiohead's Codex off their King of Limbs album. This song wasn't written for the scene, so why does it work so well? The answer is because they're both expressing similar things. For example, at the end of season 2, Bernard betrays Dolores, then regrets his decision and decides to bring her back. The lyrics in Radiohead's Codex make allusions to a sleight of hand and a desire to jump off the end into a clear lake and fantasize that no one gets hurt. And this ties in with Bernard questioning his choices. We also have a line saying, "The water's clear and innocent," which makes reference to a washing away of mistakes and a return to innocence. If we take a look at the melody and instrumentation, the trumpets and the piano give a feeling of solitude. In the dialogue of the scene, we can hear Dolores telling Bernard the following.
We each gave the other a beautiful gift. A choice. We are the authors of our stories now.
The feeling of solitude in the background goes great with this message, as choosing the story that we want to make for ourselves is an individual choice that everyone makes on their own. On a lighter note, our last example is a scene from Eurotrip, and I wanted to include this one because I wanted to show you that even a comedy can be a great place to get some inspiration.
Hey, listen up, everybody. Got a little special thing I'd like to do tonight.
Eurotrip is a college comedy about a guy named Scotty who gets cheated and dumped by his girlfriend Fiona and goes to Germany to meet a girl that he's been falling in love with over email. In this scene, Scotty's at a party when a band comes on and starts singing a song called Scotty Doesn't Know. It's about how the singer has been sleeping with Fiona and Scotty has no idea. And all of this while Scotty's in the crowd watching the band play. Even this song takes into account all elements of the scene. The song is an upbeat party song in a major key, all about how Fiona's sleeping with the singer and Scotty doesn't know. It provides a backstory for the movie, and I also think the song is great by itself even without the movie. These three songs are great examples of how the elements in movies and music tend to overlap. And it's also a great way to practice visualizing the context and the mood of your song. Another big lesson to take away here is that when you're choosing a song topic, mood is very important. The same way that you can look at film and you can look at music, both of them can have an underlying mood. It's not just what you say, it's how you say it. There's always going to be an underlying mood behind the song, the same way that there is behind the scene. Sometimes what you say in lyrics isn't exactly what the underlying mood or the undertone is. You can say it emotively, you can say it ironically, you can say it as a joke, and that's all gonna give it a different meaning. So it's not always literal. And you can also contrast what the music is doing with lyrics. For example, if you have music that sounds very happy, but you wanna contrast it with lyrics that sound very sad. So I'm gonna leave you some homework. I want you to find a scene that you feel identifies with you as an artist. And I want you to choose your next song topic based on what you learned here today, and then put that topic down in the comments below. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. In the next one, I'll be going over how to write the actual song based on the elements of the scene. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so that you don't miss out on that video. We'll catch you next time.